Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly, and please let's watch this video to the end if you want to see how this beautiful centerpiece turn out once the light goes off. It looked super cute. Please let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget that I will be posting every week something new. If you have any idea, just let me know. With that said, let's get started. So I grabbed 4 of these 8 by 10 picture frame, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this part out that we don't need. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors and I'm just going to pull this thing out. It comes out very easily, so you could just take it out. It's very simple to do. Then after that, I'm going to grab my mirror and I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue on each corner. But please let's not forget, if you want better attachment, use E6000. I'm using the hot glue for the purpose of the video. So then I'm going to grab my hot glue again, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach the other picture frame to each other, just like that. I'm going to continue doing this until I do all 4 picture frames together. There you have it. I'm just going to form my box. Then after that, I'm going to grab some foam board and I'm just going to go ahead and mark it down like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my square. Just like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab my square and I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. And I'm just going to grab my hot glue and put some hot glue around it. And then I'm going to grab my lights. A lot of people I usually put it inside, but a lot of people ask me how I'm going to turn it on. So I'm just going to go ahead. If you're going to leave it outside, attach it to the back, just like that. But I don't like to put it in the back because I don't like that showing. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it inside and fill my box with balloons all around it. I'm going to put a few little flowers, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with the balloons. Then I grab this board and I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the top. As you can see, I left a gap, and that's to put the light outside. If you don't have to put the light outside, you don't have to do that. Then I grab these balloon stick, and I found these a wine glass at Dollar Tree. I just took the bottom part. I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue and put the stick inside, just like that. Then I'm going to grab my hot glue and glue it to the box, like that. Then I'm going to take 4 balloons and I'm going to do 2 pairs of each together, and I'm going to attach it together. And then I'm going to take 4 of them and just flip it around and place it on top. Then I grab some ribbons and I'm just going to go ahead and glue them all around the boxes, just like that. So I'm going to continue doing this until I glue the whole box all the way around. For the side, just cut it to the measure to the size that you need to cut it and just glue it to it. Then I grab this rhinestone and I'm just going to go ahead and attach it on top. I will put the link where you can get these, as well as the balloon stick and balloons. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab these clear balloons, which are amazing and you can reuse them. And I'm going to go ahead and stretch them vertical and horizontal before I blow them out, just like that. Then before I blow them out, I will have to put my pink balloon inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab it with a pencil and just put it through it, just like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my air pump, blow it up just like that. Then from here, you will have to decide how big you would like it. Then just grab your Barbie and just place it on top, just like that. I grabbed these rubber bands and I'm just going to go ahead and place it through the stick and the head of the Barbie so it can hold it in place, just like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab my balloon and put it on top. Then for the bear one, I did the same thing. I put the rubber band and I just placed it in there. Then I grabbed 4 balloons and I'm going to go ahead and attach them together like I did the other ones, just like that, 2 pairs of each. And then I'm just going to flip it around and place it on top, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my balloon and place it on top and put a flower on top. And this is how beautiful it turns out. I like how everything turned out, the bear one and the princess one. Remember, these centerpiece, you can use it for many different things. You just got to switch the part on top around, like the Barbie and the bear. You could put cutouts of all different princess theme, Frozen, anything that you would like to do. This could be for a baby shower or sweet 16. Like, so many ideas that you can do with this centerpieces. I hope you guys like it, and let's not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. This is also how it will look at night with the light, which it looks beautiful more than in the video that you can see. So please give it a try, and thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.